सॉरी सॉरी राजेंद्र से बात कर लेके इधर फोन है मिटा दे बाकी जा
In February last year, we did some tests and the results were not too good, so my doctor suggested that I do few more tests, and that included some scans and things like that. So I did those, and a couple of weeks later, in March, then I was advised to, because my liver was not in a good shape and I had some digestive issues and things like that. So the doctor prescribed some tests just to rule out, HIV, Hep C, etc. So as usual, I thought, okay, yeah, fine, let's just do this. So I did those tests, and it kind of shocked me that, I was positive for Hep C.
The most significant research which has made the life of patients as well as the doctors easy in last 30 years is this: the development of the oral drugs for the treatment of hepatitis C. There is hardly any side effect. Then the duration of treatment was earlier about a year or so, and now it is 3 months, and even lesser than that now. Yeah. Even 8 weeks treatment is recommended in some cases.
I thought of buying the meds that were required, and when I called up some friends and tried to get the cheapest deals, they were still expensive. And I thought, wow, 6 months of this expense would be too much.
Earlier, for 2-3 years, it was not possible to treat our patients because the drugs were not available in our country, and the cost was so high we can't imagine. See, the cost of the soap and Decla and soap and Lady, it was so high, nobody in India at least can afford such a high cost. And that was the reason we waited for 2-3 years. But after that, thanks to the pharma companies of our country, which they started the manufacturing, and then the cheaper drugs came and the whole scenario changed. See, now we are not afraid of the hepatitis C infection at all, because the drugs are so cheap and drugs are so effective. I hardly see a patient who is not having a viral response. So this is somewhere around maybe 99%. Wherever there is a detection of hepatitis C patient, then these patients will go after the full workup to district hospital, and then they will be treated. We are hopeful that we will be able to decrease the prevalence of hepatitis C as well as decrease the prevalence of cirrhosis related to these diseases.
So through friends, etc., I got information that okay, there's a hospital where you register, but you can only get referred. So the following week, I went back to my doctor. I got a referral, and that was it. In a few days after all the additional tests were done, I got the medicines free of cost from the pharmacy in April.